Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. Today I would like to share you about strategic management in Upnm, Universiti Pertanian Nasional Malaysia. So before I go through, I would like to tell you a little bit about Upnm. So Universiti Pertanian Nasional Malaysia is a military university in Malaysia that focus on teaching and training in security defence. So Upnm was established in 1995. Their aim is to develop a capable officer and leaders. The university offers various academic programs including undergraduate and graduate degrees in military science, engineering, management, security studies and defence. Upnm also emphasizes military training, providing hands-on instruction and activity to prepare graduates for senior position in armed service. So, Upnm also make a collaboration with International Military College, foster information sharing and a wider viewpoint. So that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Aini Zakia binti Muhammad Razali. Number matrix 2220522. Next, let's move to Upnm SWOT. So for the first point is strength. In strength, we can see that in Upnm we have high marketability of graduates. Number 2, the only university that has military studies. Number 3, academic excellence. Number 4, every building to building is closed. Number 5, strategic and strict security control area. Number 6, infrastructure for high-tech learning. Number 7 is various programs are made to increase student knowledge, especially in the field of employment. We go to weaknesses. So we find out some weaknesses for Upnm, such as many damaged infrastructure, no educational costs, military vehicles exit and enter through the same route as the student has used, lack of food stores for staff and students, outside visitors are difficult to enter Upnm. The next part is opportunities. Number 1 is international collaboration. Number 2, Upnm students involve their competitive advantage with other university students in their own way. Number 3, Upnm produce students who apply a high spirit of leadership. Number 4, easy to get the attention of outsiders because of the unique identity name of Upnm. For the last part is threats. We can find out that number 1, laws are taken for granted by students. Number 2, students who are less active in each program. Number 3, competition with international and domestic. Number 4, regulatory change in government policies, funding allocations or educational regulations. Number 5, changes in student demographics.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am 2220507 OCDT Nurizani binti Abdullah Zawawi. Next, I would like to talk about the issue and the challenges in Upnm. The issues that have in Upnm is firstly attract and retain top-tier academic and administrative personnel. To achieve this goal, the university should implement competitive compensation package, foster a supportive work environment, and actively engage in professional development opportunities. Second is provide academic programs that are both relevant of highly quality. Continuously assess and update curriculum to align with industry trends. For example, is encourage faculty to engage in research and professional networks to stay current. Third is keeping the university up to date on technological advances in order to improve their effectiveness of teaching and research. For example, is establish a robust system for monitoring and adopting emerging technologies. Next is maintain and improve teaching, research and university service quality standard. For example, is establish clear quality assurance mechanism for teaching and research, including peer reviews and continuous assessment. Next is form strong partnership with industry to ensure that students gain practical experience and are marketable. So, for example, is actively engage with businesses to create internship opportunities and collaborative project and guest lectures. So next is the challenges of UPNM. First is improve employee satisfaction, ensure professional training and keep employees happy. For example, is provide opportunities for professional development and training. Second, adapting the curriculum to technological and industry change, as well as boosting methods of instruction and learning. For example, establish a flexible curriculum that can quickly respond to emerging industry trends. Third is utilize resources and training to integrate technology into all aspects of the university. Develop comprehensive training programs for faculty and staff to enhance their tech proficiency. Fourth is maintains a systematic quality control process that includes ongoing monitoring. Implement regular reviews for academic programs, teaching methodologies and administrative process. For example, utilize feedback loops from student, faculty and industry partners. Fifth is bringing universities and industry together for mutual benefits. Facilitate networking events, joint research project and collaborative program between the university and industry. For example, establish partnership with companies to create internship opportunities and align curriculum with industry needs. Last but not least is with limited resources, infrastructure development and maintenance must be innovative. Prioritize projects that enhance essential infrastructure while being cost effective.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am 320526. Montem. Today I would like to continue with the presentation. Okay, next is a suggestion to improve UPNM management system. First, we can do the structure management, which means streamlining the process, optimizing existing operation and creating new ones, creating new system. It involves redesigning the organization structure and redesigning the role and responsibilities. And the operational control can be do such as taking cultivation when required. For example, what does this mean is that we have to improve the existing operation and the system itself, such as improving in the reporting side, the employee side and the workers. We should give more motivational support and others. Next, I would like to relate it with the issue in the UPNM. For example, the damaged property in the living campus student, such as leaking roof, unfunctional lighting issue, and inconducive room. Yes, they can make report about the damages properties by online. However, it is late. We can see that whenever the problem occurs, then the repairing teams come. It is late. Thus, we want it to be more active. So active response need required from the management team. They are required to be active. For example, we can create a new system such as daily, monthly report. Every student should make report about of their room, whether it problem or not. Just update so that the management team can do earlier detection. Next is strong leadership. Strong leadership can make better decision making. It encourages critical thinking, creativity, and innovation among the team members, which can lead to problem solving and decision making. Strong leadership also strict about job. What is wrong is wrong. This means that whatever is wrong is wrong. Is bullying is wrong? Yes, it's wrong. Your action are too loud. I cannot hear what you're saying. It is NATO, no action, tak wali. The problem is the separation between cadet and civilian. The leadership from the top management are not able to reach a consent, such as to have a meeting about student and cadet. Cadet, you can see in the UPNM are hardly involved in the organisation or persetubuhan in the UPNM, such as DPP, MPTKK, Silat, Rugby and many more. This is due to the separation between civilian and cadet. Cadet need such as the we call it surat pelepasan and many more from the lecturer and the trainer. So the classification also made the dark story of UPNM machine bullying. Who is to blame, UPNM or LK? It is not who to blame, it's about management failure that have led to the serious issue to happen. The top management are not feeling responsible of the student. They are careless, they are more focused on the growth, they are not thinking about the student well-being. So this is the problem. The NC or the TK should responsible for the wrong occur. They should avoid the every chance to the immoral act to happen, such as bullying. To solve the problem, I would like to suggest about the change in the officer cadet routine. We understand that the bullying came from the more in the cadet, so I would like to suggest about that JLB duty every day in the company. Company must reminding the SVO to observe their we call it strength, observe their company, especially their big officer cadet. All cadet should not do immoral acts such as bullying, hitting, or hurt the student or junior we call. And the JLB should conduct a daily checking on the physical body, such as from the civilian side, the lecturer must detect the person or must see in the class, observe in the class who are not feeling well and the class and just advise them and ask them what happened to you last night. Does anybody hurt you? This is the way that can happen. To reach consent, next I want to talk about reach consent. Discuss to reach the agreement if problem occur. Try to solve it with all use of force and each other punishment. This is the we call it things to do, or so conduct a meeting and all side must put their effort to solve problem and to prevent issue from happen. That's it from me. Thank you.
The conclusion of our assignment is the UPNM must maintain high quality standard to distinguish itself from other Malaysian university and compete with top institution for educational excellence. It must remain relevant in higher education, providing students with knowledge, self-improvement and future leaders with a spirit of defense. That's all from our group. Thank you.